Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make spinach stew, contour stew or palaver sauce. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. So here are my ingredients. I have here chopped spinach, tuna chunks in oil, grilled beef, chopped onions, blended ginger, garlic and onion, chopped tomatoes. I also have here curry powder, paprika powder and homemade spice blend. I have some salt, onion and garlic powder. And I also have here melons, blended melon seed, salted fish and palm oil. And to begin with, I'll add the oil to a saucepan and I'll wait for it to heat up. Next, I'll add the salted fish to infuse the oil and I'll be stirring it until it dissolves. Next, I'll add in the blended ginger, garlic and onion. And also the chopped tomatoes. Now I'll add in the paprika powder and the homemade spice blend. I'll also add the onion, garlic and curry powder. And at this point, I'll add the grilled beef and the tuna chunks in oil. So I also add the beef stock. Next, I'll add in the blended melon seeds. And I'll cover and cook on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to stir it gently. And if you have enjoyed this recipe at this moment, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So I'll give it some time for it to cook. Next, I'm going to add in some chopped onions for crunchiness. And at this point, I'm going to add in my spinach. And at this point, our spinach stew, contour stew or palava sauce is ready. So you can pair this stew with rice, yam, and boiled plantain. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. So thank you all so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.